Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Honda Civic and this car have a problem AC. So when I start car on AC, compressor on off like this. That's the problem. I will show you now. See? AC on but compressor sometime working, sometime not working. That's the problem. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem, what is the issue actually. Okay, customer already replaced this compressor. Customer replaced AC compressor, condenser, everything they replace, AC pressure switch, everything they replace, but same complaint, didn't change anything. So and today I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, off car, remove this fuse box cover here and check AC relay. Okay, this complaint is for AC relay. So which one is AC relay? This one, that means this one. Okay, so you have to replace this relay. 1 minute. This relay have a problem, that's why AC doing like this. This one, so I replace another relay. Okay, check. And now AC cooling perfect. You can see here AC compressor now working perfect. See? Not off one time. See, AC compressor now perfect working and cooling also perfect. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.